So good morning everyone. Today in this session we discuss the question answer of 13.2. In the last class we discussed the questions of 13.1. Now today in this class we discuss the question of 13.2. And this exercise, the questions are based on cylinder, means find the total surface area or curved surface area. और suppose the area of the curved portion है area of one basis or total surface area of hollow cylinder. So actually this exercise, mainly this exercise is based on surface area of cylinder. So what is the first question? Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder. Normal cylinder and right circular cylinder both are same. So first question is the CSA of right circular cylinder of height 14 is 88. So here given, what is given? H equal to 14 centimeter and curved surface area equal to 88 square centimeter. Curved surface area equal to 88 square centimeter. Yes. Now the question is curved surface area means 2 pi RH is equal to 88. So 2 pi means 22 by 7. R is not given. H is 14 equal 88. So 7 to the 14. Yes. So 44 into 2, 88. R equal 88. So what is R? R equal to 1 centimeter. But the question is find the diameter. Therefore, diameter equal to 2 times of radius. 2 into 1 equal to 2 centimeter. So this is the question. See, just height of the cylinder given, that is 14 centimeter. Then curved surface of cylinder given 88. So curved surface of cylinder formula 2 pi RH equal 88. So pi into by 7. R is not given. H equal to 14. Equal 88, cancel them. R equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore, diameter is equal to 2 times of radius. That means diameter equal to 2 centimeter. Got it? Now next question is question number 2. What is question number 2? It is required to make a closed cylinder. Okay, now closed cylinder means we have to find the total surface area because it is totally closed on either side. Of height is 1 meter. Okay, here height given. Height equal to 1 meter. Then diameter given d equal to 140 centimeter. So d equal to 140 centimeter. So r equal to 70 centimeter. Now, the whole question, how many square meter? So we have to find out the answer meter. That's why we have to convert this centimeter into meter. Now 70 centimeter means 70 by 100 meter equal 0.7 meter. Got it? Next, find how many square meter. Okay, now it is given that the cylinder is closed. That's why we have to find out the total surface area of the cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder, that is equal to 2 pi r h plus r. Now what is pi? Pi equal to 22 by 7. Radius equal to 0.7. Then height equal to 1 and radius equal to 0.7. Yes. Cancel 0.1, 44 into 0.1, 4.4 into 1.7 square meter. So what is the answer? I have multiplied I did a calculation at home. Here I got the answer 7.48. Multiply then also multiply then. I did a calculation at home. 8, 20, 30, 4, yes, 7, 4, 8, then this 4.4, yes, 7.48 square meter. So this is the answer. Here we will find out the TS because it is totally closed. It is closed cylinder. That's why we will find out the total surface area. 2 pi r h plus r. Got it? So this amount of metal sheet is required to make the cylinder whose height equal to 1 meter and radius equal to 0.7 meter. Question number 3. Okay, now question number 3 is a long question. A metal pipe is 77 cm long. The inner diameter of the cross section is 4 cm. The outer diameter is 4.4. Find the inner CSA, outer, and then the total surface area. Now here you see, here is a hollow cylinder because inner diameter and outer diameter given. And last part we have to find the total surface area. The total surface area for hollow cylinder is 2 pi, means inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area of the cylinder plus the difference of the area of the two bases. So here there are 3 questions. First of all, what are given? Given height equal to 77 centimeter. Then inner diameter. Suppose inner radius equal to inner diameter is 1 d. So inner radius 2. Outer radius 2.2. So number 1 is inner surface area. Inner surface area, that is 2 pi small r h. 22 by 7 into r. What r? R2 and h 77. It is 11. Yes, 44 into 22. 88. 968. Yes, 968 square centimeter is the inner surface area of the cylinder. Now second question is find the outer curved surface area. Yes, outer curved surface area. Now number 2 is outer surface area. Outer surface area. So here outer, that's why we will take the outer radius 2. 22 by 7. Here r equal to how much? 2.2. h equal to 77. 11. So 44 into 22, 242. 242, yes. 22, yes, 242. So 24.2. Now what is the calculation? Here the answer is, I got the answer, that is the calculation as Puma, not here. Yes, 2.2, 22, 4.4, 11, yes. 1064.8. 1064.8 square centimeter, yes, square centimeter. I did the calculation of Puma in the book. So I did the calculation of home by multiplying these two numbers, it is 1064.8 square centimeter. So this is the inner surface area of the hollow cylinder and this is the outer surface area of the hollow cylinder. Now third part is we have to find out the total surface area. Now here total surface area of the hollow cylinder formula. What is the formula? Number 3 is total surface area of cylinder. Actually hollow cylinder. What is the formula? Formula is 2 pi small rh plus 2 pi capital RH plus 2 pi r square minus r square. This is the total surface area of a hollow cylinder. Now 2 pi small r h equal to 960. This is the answer of first part. And this is the answer of second part, 1064.8. Now here this 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 2.2 and this is 2 square. Yes? So 968 plus 1064.8 plus square equal to how much? 44. Yes, 44 minus 4. 484 minus 4. That is 0.84. 0.84. Yes, 2, 2. Yes, 2, 4, 4, 4. Yes, correct. It is 0.12. 0.12. 968 plus 1064.8 plus 440 plus 88. 440 plus 88 equal to how much? 8 to this one 9 to 528, and it is 5.28. Yes, 5.28 is 5.28. 5.28. Now add them. What is the answer? Final answer is 2038. Let me do the calculation. 968 1064.8 5.28 8 0 12 12 17 18 1 6 13 0 2038.08. Yes, yes, 2038.08 square centimeter. This is the total surface area of the hollow cylinder, whose inner radius is 2 cm and outer radius is 2.2 cm. Just remember the formula to find the total surface area of a hollow cylinder. You got it? The next question is the diameter of a roller is $84 centimeter. Now roller, what is shape of roller? We already seen the roller. Roller is in the shape of a cylinder. So diameter given 84. So D given 84 centimeter. Okay, if D equal to 84, the radius equal to half of 84. Equal 42 centimeter. Length equal to 120. Length is height. Height equal to 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolution to move once forward to level the playground. Find the area of the playground in square meter. Okay, we have to find the answer in square meter. Yes, square meter. So that's why 42 means 0.42 meter, and this one is equal to 1.2 meter. Now suppose this is a playground. If I roll the roller over a playground, then which portion of the roller touches the ground? See, if I roll the roller over a field, only the curved portion of the roller touches the ground. Only the curved portion touches the ground. That's why here we will find out the curved surface area of the roller. And we move the roller over the field how many times? To cover the playground once, that is 500 times. Means if I roll the roller over the field 500 times, then I cover the whole field. So what is the area of the field? Area of the field equal to number of revolution of the roller into curved surface area of roller. Why curved surface? Because while rolling the roller over the field, only the curved portion of the roller touches the ground. That's why we have to find out the curved surface area of the roller, and we roll the roller over the field for 500 times. That's why multiply the CSA of roller by 500 to get the area of the field. So now, what is the CSA of curved surface area of roller? Equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi divided by 7 R. What is R? 0.42 into H. What is H? 1.2. It is 0.6. Sorry, 0.06. So 44 into 72, 0.072. Yes, 0.072. Now what is the answer after multiplying them? This one. Okay, then total surface, area of the field. area of the field equal CSA into number of revolution. 44 into 5 220 that equals 0 into 0.072. Here after decimal 3 zeros, so here 3 zeros are there, and then after decimal there are 3 digits. So these zeros and this decimal cancel. Ultimately 22 into 72 square meter. Now multiply them. 22 into 72. Yes, 1584. So answer is 1584 square meter. This is the area of the field. Yes, for CS of the roller 2 pi RH, then area of the roller equal to roll the roller for 500 times. That's why multiply the CSA by 500. Now do question number 5 by yourself at home. Now question number 6. Curved surface area of the right circular cylinder is 4.4 square meter. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7, find the height. Simple question. Question number 5 homework. 5 is homework. Question number 5 is homework. Now question number 6. Yes, question number 6. What is question number 6? Curved surface area of the right circular cylinder is 4.4 and radius is given. Radius equal to 0.7 meter and the CSA given. Curved surface area equal to 4.4 square meter. Now CSA formula 2 pi RH equal to 4.4. Find the height. So 2 into what is pi? 20 by 7. Now what is R? 0.7. What is height? It is question mark. So height equal to h. So if you cancel them, that is 0.1. 44 into 0.1, 4.4. H equal to 4.4. So what is height? 4.4 by 4.4 equal to 1 meter. So this is the height of the field. Got it? Now see question number 7. The inner diameter is given this and height given 10 meter. Inner diameter suppose D equal to 3.5 meter. So R equal to 3.5 by 2 meter. Height is given 10 meter. Height equal to 10 meter. Find the inner CSA. Number 1, inner CSA equal to 2 pi RH. 2 pi multiplied by 7. What is R? 3.5 by 2. What is H? 10. So 7, 0.5, 2, 11 ja. So 22 into 5 equal to 110 square meter. So 110 square meter is the inner curved surface area. Now what is the second part? The cost of plastering the curved surface at the rate of 40 per square meter. So total cost equal to 110 area and cost per square 40. So rupees 4,400 is the total cost of the what? This portion of it. Got it? So here we have to question number 7. 5 is homework. 5 is same as question number 7. Find the cost. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. So next class we will finish this exercise. and then we'll start 13.3. Here in this chapter, nothing, just you have to memorize the formula, apply them. But you should know where you have to apply the CSA or TSA and the converting system. How to convert to AM to CM, CM to AM, hectometer, decameter, decimeter, decameter, the conversion. Yes, so thank you.